Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Pepe update today. And we have a small pump with Pepe 6945, and thanks to Bitcoin we're looking at this pump at the moment. Now there is one thing I want to address, and I'm going to take this right over there. And so there are some few things to look at. I do remember the last time when I talked about this sideways movement and a pop down, and you have this technical target which is still not invalidated. It's still in play actually, okay? But I'm going to tell you one thing that you must keep in mind for this to be eliminated, to be cancelled. And that is, if you're looking for this retest right now, you have this one candle that has pumped, and this is thanks due to Bitcoin that it has pumped to the upside. So you had this sideways movement, a break to the downside, a retest back up, which is almost like a dirty retest at the moment. So can you end up getting rejected at this line, and in the next one or two candles in the next 12 hours you start to push down again? That's the question. That's the absolute question right now. If you do get rejected right here and you start to push down, then you potentially are looking to really drop down to this technical target. So you may have an opportunity to trade Pepe with a stop loss up here. Now, if just in case you don't do that, and there is a chance that we may not see this happening, like this move down happening. And I just noticed that thing right now, and that is if you potentially, if I do bring in a rectangle right now, I don't know that rectangle, okay, so if I do bring in one rectangle here, it may actually seem as if we have something going on with Pepe. So you may see this one touch here move up, one touch there, and one touch here move up, and it does look like Pepe came down here, touched this line, and it's actually bouncing off that line once again. So you may say that there is a demand box going on here, and this may have not been really a bear flag. So I'm just going to remove it like that. And I do like the idea that this actually looks more like that. This is actually very accurate in my opinion, and it's much more close and a better estimate when you're doing technical analysis. There are so many possibilities, but I think this one really looks good. You have a touch here, a touch there, a touch here, a touch here. It's a perfect trend line. It's a perfect demand box. Now, if things go good, then you're looking for a supply zone, and our supply zone now is this one, right? One touch, move down, a one touch right there, and a move down. So if things repeat, we may be looking at Pepe actually coming all the way back here and probably get rejected here once again, and then finally goes down and continues sideways like this. So that's my take on Pepe at the moment. You do have the RSI that is also a little bit oversold right now, so we may be looking at the RSI to come up here once again. And that's it for this update. Bitcoin may even go to $32,000, so keep that in mind, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.